players. Today's video is a full warm-up for beginning horn students. If you ever wondered what you're supposed to do in your warm-up, I've got the answer for you today. And I have to thank Miss Edwards of Westbury Middle School in New York for sponsoring today's video. I also have to give big thanks to Renaya and Megan for helping me to pick out some things for this video. Now let's get to the warm-up.
Breathing exercises: in for 4, out for 4, 4 times, in for 4, out for 8, 2 times. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3. Last time. In, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. In for 4, out for 8. 1, 2, ready, go. In, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and off. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and done. Mouthpiece Sirens: up for 4, down for 4, 4 times. Let's get your mouthpiece. 2, 1, 2, ready, and go, and up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4, breathe up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, last one, breathe up. 2, 3, 4, down. 2, 3, and 4, and done. Horns up, long tones on C, 2 for 4 and 2 for 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, breathe in, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and off. 2, 3, breathe in, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and off. 2 for 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and off. Big breath. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and off. Lip slurs: C, E, G, E, C in quarter notes. Fingerings are to the right of the screen. 1 and 2, and ready, and go. Next one's middle, and go. First valve, and go. 1 and 2, go. 2 and 3, go. 1 and 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Now you're done. Yes. 5-note scale: C, D, E, F, G in quarter notes. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, again, go. Now we're going down from G. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, again, go. 5-note scale starting on F in quarter notes. 2, ready, go. 2, ready, play. Starting at the top, coming down. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, again, play. Up and down, ready, and play. Up and down again, 1, 1 and 2 and ready and play. Alright, last part of the warm-up, going up the chromatic scale from C to F in half notes. 1, 2, ready and play. Try it again. 2, 1 and 2 and ready and go. Keep trying. Blow that air. Blow that air. Keep trying. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Push that air. Blow that air. One more time, last time. 2, ready and go. And that's it. You are now warmed up. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Now you can go practice.